Hello, welcome everyone. Um, Today I'm going to show you in Silhouette Studio how to create a simple mockup for your product. And for this class, you need to have Silhouette Studio because with Business Edition you are able to save your file as a PNG in PNG format. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to prepare our page, and this is our media. When you come here on the page setup, you have all those things here, and the third part, media, is here, is the white part here. So right now our media is 12 by 12, and we're going to make it like a square. We're gonna make it smaller. Let's say we make it 8.5 by 8.5. So we'll go to custom and put in 8.5, okay, by 8.5. Enter. So we have the 8.5 by 8.5. Okay. Now we're going to import our image file. Merge. I'm going to bring it in here. Let's say I bring this guy in. Merge. He will come in this same space. Okay, he's here. Here he's 8.3. I'm going to lock it because I want the image to fill the page. I'll lock it and I'll put it 8.5 and I'll hit enter. Okay, and I will select here and it will align it with the page. Okay, so this is my shirt that I want to sell. This shirt right here. Let me say this really quick. If you want to learn how to create mockups like this, I have a mockup generator that you can purchase from my website, or you can purchase the whole class, like the videos how to create images in Midjourney, and I will put the link in the comments below. You can see it. Okay, so I have this guy here. You would think this is a real person. No, it's just AI that I designed, I generated. Okay, let's say I'll go to my computer and I'll go back to merge. Merge means we want to merge it in this same place here. I'll look for an image. Okay, say I want to use this one. I'll select it. I will merge it into this same space here. Okay, it's big because of my setting. Don't worry about it. I will select it and I will make it smaller. Let's say I'll make it 3 inch. I hit enter and then I will click here and it will come here and I see that it's still small, and I will make it smaller. Okay, and I'll put it here. So my PNG file is with the transparent background. If it had a background, it wouldn't be good to put here. It would be, you would see that something is not right. So your image, your image that you want to put on your mockup should have a transparent background. And this same design here, if you want to know how to create designs like this, like it's collapsing, falling out of place, I also have a class where I teach this, and you can learn how to create a template and learn how you create a template once, like for every font you create a template once, and then you can come back in and change your text. So amazing is my class with that. So if you want to learn how to design mockups for shirts, hoodies, Bella and canvas, you can take my class. If you want to design this one too, you can also take my class for it. So this is the mockup that we have. Let's say we're happy with it, and then we will save it. File, save as. We save it to a hard drive, okay, or a computer, and I will name it golden hoodie bangles NFL. Okay, and I will save it as a PNG right here, PNG. Okay, and I will save it here, and then it will ask all this, show me. I can change here. If you want the DPI to be 300, if you want it to stay 150, it's up to you. I'll put it on 300. And we don't have to worry about the background because it doesn't have a background. Like the media, the white image, you don't see it. It's exactly as the picture is exactly as the page, the white part, the media. And I'll save it here. And here is my mockup. And this is what you're going to upload on your website or on Etsy. Okay, I hope this video helped you. Go and create those mockups. And don't forget, if you want to learn how to do this, create the mockups and create this design, I have classes that I teach where you can learn this and effortlessly create your designs. Thank you.